Good morning and welcome to Chapter 10. Oh, it might not be warning where you are, but welcome to Chapter 10 anyway. We are now at the point where we're going to be doing some hypothesis testing in the course. So in Chapter 9, you should have learned how to make a simple inference, so constructing a confidence interval around a value from a sample. And we did that for both means and for proportions in Chapter 9. In Chapter 10, we're actually going to test a claim about the population based on a sample. So Chapter 10 will be an introduction to hypothesis testing, which is section 10.1. There's a lot of language involved in hypothesis testing, so this will be some definitions and some information about understanding some conclusions. So 10.1 is really about the ins and outs of a hypothesis test. But in 10.2 and 10.3, you'll learn how to actually conduct a hypothesis test from start to finish. So there are two different types that we'll be working with. 10.2 is hypothesis tests for proportions. 10.3 is hypothesis tests involving means. Like Chapter 9, Chapter 10 also has a putting it all together section, and that is section 10.4. So in 10.4, you'll be presented with different types of data and have to decide what type of test is appropriate, what type of data you're looking at. So 4 sections this week, then an introduction, 2 different on content, and 1 wrap up on how putting everything all together. What procedure do you use? Next week, Chapter 11 will be our final chapter. We'll have quiz number 4 and the final exam coming up. Have a great week. There will be workshops. Reach out to me if you need help. Thank you.